Hello friends, today we will discuss IMF quota SDR all in one video and how to calculate IMF quota and how SDR works in that. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. It is very important for economics students. So International Monetary Fund, known as IMF, it was established in 1944 at the Bretton Woods Conference. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C. Currently, it has 190 plus member countries. Its objectives to ensure international monetary cooperation. Second, maintain exchange rate stability. Third, promote balanced international trade. Fourth, provide financial assistance to countries facing balance of payment or BOP crisis. Fifth is to reduce global poverty. Its main function is surveillance. It monitors global economic stability. Second is lending, provides loans during crises like BOP crisis, balance of payment crisis, technical assistance. It provides policy advice and training, research and reports, world economic outlook, etc. How it helps: when a country faces a foreign exchange shortage, IMF provides loan with certain policy conditions called conditionality IMF quota system. So now question is, what is quota in IMF? A quota is the financial contribution made by each member country to IMF. Importance of quota is quota determines financial contribution, voting power, borrowing capacity, and share in SDR allocation. Now question is, what is SDR? SDR is an international reserve asset, not a currency. It supplements member countries' official reserve. Purpose of SDR is to solve global liquidity shortage, reduce dependence on gold and US dollar. So SDR has a basket which has currencies of different countries. So SDR basket is accepted by all countries, and which include US dollar, euro, Chinese yuan, Japanese yen, and British pound. Now how it works? It is allocated to countries in proportion to their IMF quota. Countries can exchange SDR for freely usable currencies. For example, if India needs US dollars urgently, it can exchange SDRs through IMF arrangements. The formula for quota calculation is based on GDP, openness, economic variability, international reserve. So formula for calculating IMF quota is equal to 0.5 into GDP under bracket plus 0.30 into openness. So all these are given weightage. So 0.5 is given to GDP, 0.3 to openness, plus 0.15 into variability, and plus 0.05 into reserves. So formula is like this: 0.5 into GDP plus 0.3 into openness plus 0.15 variability plus 0.5 into reserves. At the International Monetary Fund, a country's quota determines its financial contribution, voting power, borrowing limit, and SDR allocation. So IMF quota formula, current working formula is this: after calculating this, a compression factor is applied to reduce the gap between large and small economies. So formula we have seen, that is quota is equal to 0.5 into GDP plus 0.3 into openness plus 0.15 into variability plus 0.05 into reserves. After calculating this, a compression factor is applied to reduce the gap between large and small economies. So it is explained that GDP 50% weight, combination of GDP at market exchange rates. GDP at purchasing power parity, that is PPP, shows the country's economic size. Second is openness. In the formula 30% weight is given. So total of current payments and current receipts measures integration with global trade. Third is variability, that is 15% weight has been given. Variability of current receipts, net capital flows reflects exposure to external shocks. Fourth is reserves, that is 5% weight has been given to reserves, official foreign exchange reserves. It indicates financial strength. So compression factor, a mathematical adjustment applied to reduce dominance of very large economies, protect smaller and developing countries. Now question is why quota is important. Quota determines financial contribution to IMF, voting power, SDR allocation, maximum borrowing capacity. Relation between quota and SDR are as such. SDR, special drawing right, are allocated in proportion to the quota shares. If a country has 2% quota share, then it receives 2% of total SDR allocation. So for example, we can see GDP contribution is 40, openness 20, variability 10 and reserves 5. Quota will be 0.5 into 40 plus 0.3 into 20 plus 0.15 into 10 plus 0.05 into 5. So it will be like this: 20 plus 6 plus 1.5 plus 0.25. So total will be 27.75. Before compression factor. Voting power, each country gets basic votes plus 1 vote per SDR. 10 lakh of quota. US has the highest voting power, that is 16% approx, giving it veto power on major decisions. So that's all about IMF, quota and SDR.